Look at this word problem. Henry has 485 apples. He threw away some rotten apples and sells 400 apples. He now has 26 apples left. How many apples has Henry thrown away? So I want you to first use your highlighters and first look for the tricky words. When you are looking for the tricky words, you will come across thrown away, then left. Okay, so these are the tricky words, which means like in subtraction, when you come across subtract, thrown, left out, or take away, or minus, or remove, so or decrease. So these basically means subtraction. So we come to a point that yes, this sum is like subtraction, and then we are going to use the highlighter to highlight the important words in this word problem. Like Henry had 485 apples, this is one important thing, and then he sold 400 apples, this is another important thing, and then 26 apples are left with him, this is the third most important thing. So now look into this. First, I want you to read any word problem 2 or 3 times to first know the content of it, and then we are going into that problem. He had 485 apples. Okay. And we don't know how much he threw away, but he sold 400 apples. So now let's see what is 485 minus 400. So there we end up with 85 apples. There I put 85. Is the end there? The sum doesn't end, because if you go back to the word problem, here it says he now has 26 apples, but here he now has 26 apples left, but you can see that we have 85 apples, right? So we got 85 when he sold 400. From 485 we got 85, but the word problem says he just got 26 apples left. So let's check out what's the exact number of apples he threw away. That is 26 apples are left with him out of 85. So let's remove this 26 from 85. Then we end up with 59. So we end up with 59. So what's the number of apples exactly Henry threw away? Is 59 apples he threw away. Okay?